The federal government's homegrown school feeding program has catered for more than 9 million pupils, with about 100,000 food vendors creating sundry employment within the school ecosystem. This was the submission of the Ministry of Humanitarian Affairs, Disaster Management and Social Development as the distribution and handover of new school feeding utensils to beneficiaries in Enugu State. Bamidele Ajayi reports.
With about 10.5 million out-of-school children, the United Nations Children Education Fund UNICEF 2022 report rates Nigeria highest in the world. It identifies issues of poor funding, poverty, geographical displacement or emergency, insecurity as factors affecting children enrollment in schools. In an effort to mitigate the challenges, federal government launched homegrown school feeding program among other measures to address poverty and improve children enrollment in schools in the country. The scheme is designed to encourage parents to get their children participate in the hygienically prepared with high nutritional value school feeding program. Since the introduction of the scheme in Enugu State, it has recorded successes that most students are eager to be in school with a guarantee of at least a meal per day.
There was a child that told me, say, "Mommy," I say, he said, "Do you know, I don't eat in the morning before coming to school. That God will bless us." I said, "It will bless governor, it will bless the president."
At this distribution, an handover of crested school feeding plates to 17 educational secretaries in Enugu State, cooks and school vendors are urged to improve on the services rendered to the pupils.
His Excellency the Governor is even more passionate to ensure that all the pupils in the state are given this one meal per school day.
Seems to be one of the best programs in the social investment program because it is the program that touches the grassroots.
Feeding program bringing about improvement in our school enrollment.
For the minister, who spoke on the successes of the federal government's social intervention program, promises to continue delivering quality service that will better the lot of the people.
Plans of our ministry that seeks to ensure that the target pupils have the best experience of hygiene and safety during their consumption of those free meals.
Federal government is responsible for the release of funds, guidelines, policies, monitoring, and the state carries out the day-to-day implementation, including procurement of food items, selection of cooks and vendors who prepare the meal for the pupils. Bamidele Ajayi, TVC News, Enugu.